guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be seeing the review of Redmi 7, one of the best mobile I have seen until now. So, hands on the mobile. Now, let's go on to the video without time. For first, the original color of this mobile consists of red and black together. So, first, let's review it. When I unlock this mobile or before unlocking, I see that some news appear on this mobile. So, this is one best thing what Redmi has made until now. So, I could see that there are many latest news appearing here at first when I lock. Then I enter my password and just open the mobile. You get a screen like this. So, there are many inbuilt apps in this mobile. Like I can see there my video, music, and my drop, my community, and my store, chat, many more. Like again, the security and many more inbuilt apps are very good. So talk about the camera quality here. So I see that camera quality is very good in this mobile because there are many modes of camera. Like you get the camera, photo, the square, the pro, portrait, video, and short video. So at the selfie mode, you can see here is you get the selfie mode like this, and even you get the portrait selfie mode. These are some shots which I'm showing you. Here, if you long tap, you can see the three options down, the wallpaper, widgets, and settings option. Then if you go on to the settings, the first good option is second space. Second space is the parallel space around the space. Then you get it as full screen display. So full screen gestures nothing but it's a very good method for who use mobile frequently. So you can see if you swipe up like that, you get, and swipe at the left, you can see that you can just go and remove the apps. Okay, then you can see more options, like if you scroll, you get the Google Assistant there, and if you move to your left, you see some just like this. So now if you see about the speaker quality on this mobile, it's very good. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment on our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Signing up, Santosh from your Smart Tech. Bye.